Welcome to the December 2023 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, meet the trio behind Penn's Trail Environmental, rising from the ashes of Piedmont Environmental in 2008. With backgrounds in geology, wetland science, and macrobiology, they've transformed Penn's Trail into a thriving environmental consultancy spanning 2 states. Delve into the intricacies of their designs, environmental assessments, and soil work. Meet the unsung heroes of the booming U.S. homebuilding surge, the installers. Navigate the challenges of overwhelming demand, graying workforces, and the vital decision, expand or pull back. Take a deep dive into the intricate balancing act. Competent contractors in the on-site industry demand quality products. See how these partnerships ensure success in this special on-site innovations section. Explore the nuances of septic system design with experts revealing the untold story behind shallow installations. Explore material limits, buoyancy risks, and water pressure challenges. Uncover the trade-offs between shallow depths and efficient maintenance in this buried treasure trove of insights. Get an insider's look at the heartwarming collaboration between IOWPA, Infiltrator Water Technologies, and Dutcher Trenching as they gift Pam's Promise, a women's housing facility in Crawfordsville, Indiana, with a state-of-the-art on-site system. Join the field day to witness the seamless installation and discover the advanced technologies that make a difference. Discover essential safety practices to protect on-site wastewater treatment professionals from electrical hazards. Learn the importance of written procedures, proper training, and the right tools. Stay informed about voltage risks, lockout, tagout procedures, and crucial precautions for a secure work environment. The Michigan Department of Agriculture invests $30 million in a wastewater fund to aid food businesses. Uncover how Shorts Brewing solved its wastewater challenge and explore regulatory changes in South Carolina, Massachusetts, Oregon, New York, Guam, Virginia, Montana, and Iowa. Meet Patrick and Chase Kern of Paramount Wastewater Solutions in Texas. Patrick, with 28 years experience, transitioned from real estate appraising to septic systems. Chase, with 3 years experience, emphasizes education for all involved in servicing septic systems. Discover their insights and challenges in the wastewater industry. Discover Simtek's game-changing STF-100 pressure filters. These filters, strategically placed in pressurized septic systems, save the day by combating clogs and ensuring disposal field protection. Email editor@onsiteinstaller.com and tell Jim about your most unique installations. Thanks for watching, and see you next month.